So how it works with Gravitate Accounting. So you'll come to us, we'll have, the first point will be a meeting between ourselves and you. And the key thing there is understanding your business. A lot of accountants sometimes will tell you what they think you need, but unless we actually understand you and your business and how it operates, we won't know what that is. So we'll rely on you for some parts, but we'll also advise, say, look, other businesses of your size or other businesses in your industry are having these services, and this is the reason why. So it's not going to be just come in and tick a few boxes of what you want. We're going to go through everything about your business, understand it, and provide a service that we think is best for you. Obviously, you can pick and choose at the end and select from the menu exactly the services you need. Like you say, you'll see from our Go proposal that we have our services all listed out, and you're going to be there saying, this is a service I definitely need now, and ticking the box, and that'll be included in the quote. Obviously, as what we like to do as a business, Gravitate Accounting, we like to add value. So we love the advisory work. So this is where we think we can help support the growth of your business. There's going to be the standard compliance work as well, the things you need to remain compliant and keep HMRC and Companies House happy. Once you've been through and selected what services you want, there might be some services that you say, look, I want that service, but we know now that it's out of the budget, and we can save that service down the line. We'll put a meeting in every 3 months minimum, really. So we're talking regularly to say, look, are we delivering everything you need? Is there more we can do to support you and your business? So what's going to happen is we're going to go through this quote in the meeting, and you're going to leave the meeting with a full breakdown of that quote and everything we can do to support your business. And this is an idea of how it's going to look. So you'll see here, you get a cover sheet, just that's got contact details on, should you need to call us or email us. Like I say, we're happy to talk all the time. Sometimes it might need tweaking and refining before we get to that final position, and we're happy to do so. Then it comes on to some people bigging us up. So here's one of our current clients who says some great words about us. At Gravitate Accounting, we're really proud of our reputation, and something we've been building up is our Google reviews. We've got the most Google reviews of any accountancy firm in Sheffield. You'll see quotes throughout this document of people who support us. The next section you come on to is meet the team. Should you accept this quote, pretty quickly you're going to hear from different members of our team. The aim is to get you on board as quickly as possible, make it as streamlined as possible. So our information collection is going to be, it's not going to be you filling in a piece of paper and sending it back. It's going to be all automated digital forms, and so it's nice for you to see all the team members who are going to be working with you, so you can quickly put a face to the names that you're going to be emailing you. Then let's be honest, the next bit's the quote, the bit that everyone's bothered about. This is all everyone wants to see. We've just been through, ticked all the boxes you want, and it tells you what your monthly fee is going to be. And at times there might be an alignment fee. So an alignment fee is if you started 6 months through the year and we're charging monthly for your year-end accounts, there's 6 months of year-end fees to catch up, and then after that we don't charge you another one-off fee at all unless we agree it. So we'll never come to you and say, last week we did a bit of work there, we're going to have to charge you that because we didn't charge it before. What we would do is we'd have that conversation before and say, look, this isn't included in the quote. It's a significant piece of work outside of the scope. So if you want us to do it, the price will be X. So the decision's back in your hands. So then you'll see from the next page, you can literally accept the quote there and then, and that triggers all those systems I said. So it'll get our monthly recurring invoices set up. It triggers our team to start chasing you for information, and we recommend you letting your previous accountants know if you've got one that you're going to be leaving, just as a courtesy thing. But then we after that, it's all on us. We speak to them, we get all the information, and we take it forward from there. As a business, core values are big to us. Like I said, we are a relationship-led accountancy practice, so the people and the values of those people are really important to us, so much so that they're written on the walls of the office. So these are the things that are important to us, and hopefully they align with some of the things that are important to you also. The next page, you've got the apps map. So the apps map is just a bit of gives you an idea that Xero is an amazing piece of software, but it is just the start. And then you see all these softwares that we use to streamline your accountancy service to automate that process as much as we possibly can. We take a lot of new clients on board who've said, yeah, my accountant's given me Xero, but that's it. They've just said, go with it. It's a nice piece of software. It's easy. But it's only easy if you understand by clicking that button what it's going to do. So what we do is we set you up with 0, make sure you're comfortable using it, or we take it off your hands and do it ourselves. And we work with, this is just an example of some of the apps we use to really add value to your business, automate your business, and let you focus on growing your business. The final bit's quite wordy, the last bits. It's our committed services, and it's a service schedule basically. So it's saying you've ticked that box to say you're doing an annual set of accounts. What are we going to do for that? So read through it, and any questions, feel free to fire away. I think the key things for the clients is things like the quarterly meetings or the monthly meetings. What happens? What that is us saying we will have that quarterly meeting with you. So we'll have one of our team try and book a meeting in the month in advance. So we've got that planned, and we don't internally, we don't say that job's complete until it's done. So we're not just going to let you list out a bunch of services you think you want and then bill you for it and then dodge him and skip him. It's not how we operate. We stick to our deadlines. We get our information submitted on time, and if there's additional services we're committing to, we make sure that we deliver them as agreed when we first met.